I just told them that I'm like a brick fight, don't need more order to destroy me. Cause I'm a young boy with a big dream and got bad bars and I know it can. So I'm really trying to hit the right spot, but the people trying to put me right back. Umdali wami ngabawonelani ngiphutshisiphiwo sami engaziphiwa ngu ngingumuntu nami ngizamuphanda baba, my daddy died so he left me young. So I'm really trying to make him proud in the coffin, make mama happy at the bandu, pay school fees for my little bro, put the food on table like daddy right, make mama sit back and relax, put a smile on her face. All of these haters, they're hating on me, they are wasting time, cause I know that I'm going to surpass them. I know my chances are gone, but I'm still in the game and I know I'm gonna win. How could you down me and tell me to go to school? I told you that school is not my thing, you told me you never go away with me. I told you it's okay, I'm still going in, I'm still getting bigger and getting some gigs. All over the city, I'm shining like stars. Intwana engane ephuma ekhasi, ngizama nami ukuvula farm, but bad people bangivalela ngaphandle. Bachisa iblock mangithenga istove, bachisa istove mangithenga iblock.